We all know the hadith, الرَّجُلُ عَلَى دِينِ خَلِيلِهِ. The person shall follow the methodology and religion of his close associates. Then the Prophet said, examine who your associates are. When was the last time you actually examined who are my closest associates? When did you go down the list and really think, who do I hang around? Who do I enjoy their companionship? Because those people tell you everything you need to know about yourself. The people whom you enjoy being with, your company is literally who you are. The famous hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, that the example of the good companion is like that of the one who sells perfume. Even if you don't buy from him, he'll gift you. Even if he doesn't gift you, being in his presence, you will smell the good perfume. So find your perfume sellers. Start distancing those that are a negative impact on you. Those whose gatherings are nothing but ghibah, nothing but waste of time, nothing but maybe even haram going on. And I especially speak frankly to the youth. So the fact that you're being tested with so much of the internet and social media and whatnot, and the ease of access of every type of evil, Allah has given you huge test and trial because Allah knows you can pass that. But one of the biggest causes of failure is not even going to be you, it's going to be whom you associate with. You know this. Your friends are going to dictate much of your failure or success. So maybe you cannot control what your friends do. You can control who you associate with.